how to purchase hosting from Hostinger with a special deal, with a special discount. In this video I'm going to tell you step by step, so you have to watch this video full. So what you have to do, to get started, is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be entitled to a page like this, where you can see their premium plan is a main running deal. If you scroll below, you can see Hostinger reviews on different websites, like you can see on Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WB Beginner, everyone praising them, as one of the finest hosting company. Look, like 4.6 out of 5 is a very good rating, 4.8 out of 5, and again very good rating, 4.6 out of 5. If you ask me, that is a very good rating for any hosting company. If you scroll below, you can say that these are the three most popular plan: premium, business, cloud, startup. If you ask me, I have been using the premium plan and the business plan on my blog. So my experience so far with both of these plans are very good. In case if you have more budget, you want cloud hosting, you can offer the cloud setup, but otherwise the premium or the business plan are very good plan. So if you scroll below, there are some few common features, like you're getting SSD storage or NVMe storage. You are getting either optional daily or weekly backup, free domain, managed WordPress, free CDN, free dedicated IP, one-click WordPress installation, free automatic website migration. You are also getting no code website builder with 150 design crafted templates. You are also getting uh, amazing security features like DDoS protection, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, amazing security features. You are also getting 30 days money back guarantee and 99.9% uptime guarantee with Hostinger, and you have access to global data centers, like you can host in different countries. Another thing I like about Hostinger is that they provide maximized website speed with their light speed web server technology. Now, to buy hosting from Hostinger with a special discount is, first of all, choose your plan. Let's say we are going with the premium plan. It has both best of the both world. You can offer the premium or business plan, but in case if you want more savings, offer the premium plan. You are saving the most amount of money over here. So simply select the add to cart. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. On that page, you are going to see the summary of what you are going to buy from Hostinger over here. So here you can see what you go the summary. And if you scroll below, now choose your billing period. Hostinger offer various billing periods like 1 month, 12 month, or 24, 48 months. If you ask me, the 48 months is a most amount savings, but you can also get good savings with the 24 or 12 months plan as well. Once you select your billing period, scroll below, you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID over here, or you can synchronize with the Google or Facebook account. After doing this, scroll below and select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods, so you can select any according to preference. Once you select your payment method, scroll below, select the have a coupon code, and you can see that the price which is currently at the moment is very discounted. I'm going to tell you the another coupon code as well, through which you can get further discount. Now you can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link for my audience. You can see that a price which was already discounted got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use this one as well. It is with the name of HI10. Once you select it, once you write it, you can see that the price got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to use these coupon code and select your plan accordingly, and enjoy your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.